Here are the short sounds of vowels. A, E, I, O, A. Here are the long sounds of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. When do the vowels sound long? It sometimes happens when two vowels go walking. The first one does the talking and it says its name. A, E, O, I, U, A, O, E. A, R, an, ran. A, R, ain, rain. E, T, N, ten. E, T, een, teen. O, R, O, rod. O, R, ode, road. E, B, N, ben. E, B, een, bean. Ran turns into rain. 10 turns into teen. Rod turns into a road. And Ben turns into a bean.